Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to place a test behind subject. With that being said, let's get started. Step 1, you need to add your track. To add your track, Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl V to paste. Align your track. So now guys, go to cutout. Select your above track and click auto cutout. It's processing. So now guys, if I click on the below track, you can see we have successfully removed our first track background. So now guys, we need to go to our test, default test, and add it to our tracks. Then we need to drag it. Put the text of your choice. I'm going to put CapCut text, then select effect. Now I'm going to scroll down and select better effect. I'm going to choose this one. Well, let me just choose the one below. Go to size, make it big. And I will select the first text and the last track. Right click. Compound clip. Guys, as you can see, we have to place the text behind subject. That is it guys. You just this little step. Alright guys, I'm going to add another default text. Click on it to add. Align it to its original track. That is it. And now subscribe to my channel guys for more helpful video like this. Then you go to effect, you just need to follow the exact step. That's it guys. That's how you can place a text back and front of a subject. Easy. Thank you for watching guys. If this video has helped you guys, consider subscribing to my channel. Drop a comment below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.